What's up everyone, welcome back guys to another Blooket video. In today's video I'll be spending 10k, well almost 10k tokens on the Blizzard pack in Blooket, y'all. This is going to be a big unboxing. We got a stacked account, well not really stacked, but we got a lot of tokens at least, and we're going to try to get the chroma. I've been doing this thing third account, boys, third account that I am grinding, and all I gotta say is that we better get lucky this account, y'all, because I'm significantly running out of accounts right now. So if I don't get the chroma in this account, then I'm kind of cooked, because I got like 5 others. Guess what? Nah, whatever. Anyways, y'all, we will be starting the grind in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Yo, I hope I get the chroma. Oh, epic, oh, another epic. Alright, I feel the chroma. You guys know, like, when I kind of like feel the chroma. Yeah, it is one of these unboxings that I just feel that I'm gonna get lucky. Like, you can already tell by the fact that I haven't grinded in this account in like 10 years, y'all. So, like, look how good the animations are. Like, whenever I'm getting those uncommons, look at that epic, very quick confetti. I feel that I'm gonna get the chroma. Screen and just like, oh yeah! No, not the thing I wanted, but I'll still take it. It is a legendary. I love you, Santa Claus. You know when I get a Santa Claus, I got you. I pulled you twice. Can I just pull one chroma? Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! Yeah. Oh my god, bro. If only I had a camera right now, y'all. Woo! Yeah! We got prime, boys. We got prime. Woo! Oh my god, bro. My voice is so broken right now. No damn way. No damn way. Oh my god, bro. We actually got the holiday. Oh yeah. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. We got the oh my. Oh my god. I love you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Well, we got the chroma, guys. One sec. Let me just, I'll probably, like, cut this footage when I'm editing this. But, y'all, W's in chat, boys. Oh my god, I wanna cry. Taking me, like, 3 accounts, and I got the holiday elf, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Alright, let me just get my phone. Real quick. Alright, boys, I'm back. I just got the phone and I took a little video, like, little footage of it. Oh my god, I just want to look at this thing for my whole entire life, y'all. But we gotta get moving, Can't stay at this spot forever, but oh my freaking god, bro. Blooket, y'all. This is Blooket. This ain't Blooket. This ain't Waffle. This ain't Blooket. This is Blooket. This is the game, y'all. This is the game. Look at that confetti. Oh, so beautiful. Alright. Sorry. But in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love you, Holiday Elf, but oh, that was a little painful, but we gotta continue to grind. And we gotta see what else we can get, We might still get another chroma, although it's unlikely. And I am pretty happy that I got that chroma. We just literally got the holiday elf, y'all. Oh my god, I'm still shaking a little. I mean, very much shaking. Oh god, oh my god. Oh god, if I get another chroma, bro, I'm gonna have a heart attack, y'all. I cannot take this thing. Santa Claus. Oh my god. Why am I so nervous right now, y'all? I'm shaking. I'm so freaking shaken. Alright. Back to reality. I kind of want to get another chroma though, but, you know what I mean. We did. I'm so happy we got the holiday elf, y'all. I didn't want the cozy baby penguin. I mean, this might be weird, but I didn't want the cozy baby penguin. I wanted the holiday elf, and the reason to that, you know what that is? You know why I wanted the holiday elf? Because I have 2 cozy baby penguins. Yeah, you heard me. 2 cozy baby penguins in my different Blooket accounts, obviously, but I have 2 of them. 2 of them in 2 different accounts. So yeah, that's why I wanted cozy baby penguin. That's why I wanted holiday elf. Oh my god, I am still shaking a little from that massive chroma. I cannot believe my luck, y'all. Guys, I should probably promo this browser that I'm using. It's called Wave Browser, y'all. 0 security features, really fast, really good browser. Google, bro, Google is ass, bro. Compared to Wave Browser. Wave Browser is so much better. Oh my god. I knew we were gonna get that chroma, y'all. I knew it from the very beginning. Ah, no. Yeah, we got the chroma. Alright, you know what, guys? I'm sorry to say, but I think I'm not gonna, like, resell. I mean, I am obviously gonna have to resell, but, y'all, you know what? I'm just gonna, like, take a little break. Because, like, yeah, I've been spamming a lot, and my finger's gonna hurt. I feel sore. Oh my god, another Santa Claus. Last few packs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And yep. Alright, y'all, moment of truth. Oh my god, we got the thing, boy. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna sell. Oh my god, bro. No way, you know what? Yeah, I thought I was gonna sell that. Oh my frick. Wait, what? 18 snowmans, y'all? That is wild. This is wild, y'all. Oh my god, I'm getting chills all over right now, but we got the holiday elf, boys. Holiday. Whoops. Oh, hell no. My bad about that. Kind of like clicked inspect there. We got the holiday elf. Blooket. Blooket, we got the holiday elf, y'all. We got the holiday elf. We got the holiday elf, the mighty holiday elf. Holiday elf, holiday elf, holiday elf. We got it, the holiday elf. We got the holiday elf. We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got the holiday elf. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, look at that. We got the look at hamster and the holiday elf. Holiday elf, wherever. Oh my god, we have 4K left. This is gonna be tough, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I say, we call it a grind, guys. I'm sorry, but let's just call it a grind, y'all. There's only one thing left to do. Put it in banner. And the last thing left to do, y'all, we need something, you know. I mean, it's kind of sad spending all my money on this, but y'all, we gotta celebrate. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna buy the gift tag right here, and I'm probably gonna buy the jolly. You know, I'm gonna go a little cheap here, but I'm gonna just, you know, put in the banner and title. Where's it at? Well, doesn't really look that good, but hey, still is a banner to celebrate the holiday elf, y'all. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another unboxing. Bye.